Ready to ditch endless scrolling and finally find your perfect social media home? Let's dive into the ultimate showdown: Lemon8 versus Pinterest. First up, content formats. Lemon8 is all about visually stunning photos and short-form videos, often with detailed captions and templates. Think blog post meets Instagram. Pinterest, on the other hand, excels at curated image collections, idea boards, and links to external websites. Now let's talk demographics. Lemon8 tends to attract a younger audience, Gen Z and millennials, interested in lifestyle content, fashion, beauty, and travel. It's currently skewed toward female users, although it's expanding. Pinterest boasts a broader age range, with a strong focus on DIY enthusiasts, home decor lovers, and recipe seekers. It's used pretty equally by men and women. Visual discovery is key for both platforms. Lemon8 uses a For You page algorithm that learns your preferences quickly. Pinterest's strength lies in its robust search function and organized boards. It's excellent for finding specific ideas and inspiration. Finally, community features. Lemon8 fosters a more intimate community with emphasis on genuine interactions, comments, and sharing. Pinterest is more focused on individual inspiration, with collaborative boards for shared projects and interests. So, which one's right for you? If you crave curated aesthetics, detailed captions, and a young, engaged community, Lemon8 might be your vibe. But if you're after endless inspiration, organized idea boards, and a diverse audience, Pinterest could be your perfect fit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more social media deep dives. Let us know in the comments, are you Team Lemon8 or Team Pinterest?